Okay. And today we got white skies and rain. It's gonna rain later. Let's see. What's the time? The time is high noon. It's 12 p.m. Friday the 13th. June 13th, 2025. Yeah, we're at 58 degrees right now. Air quality is fair, it's at 40. Gonna be in the 70s all week. I don't believe that. How cold it is now, feels like it's in the 40s. It's high noon. That's where the sun is, right up there. Years ago, the sun used to be over here in the south. That was a while ago, years ago. But now it rises in the northeast and it never comes this way. It's always overhead. Yeah. It's always overhead us. And then it sets way back here towards the northwest. That's where it was setting yesterday. That's where it's been setting, northwest. While the moon was setting way back here towards the south. That's not right. Something's going on with that moon. Yeah. What do you think is happening? Just comments below, click that like button and hit that subscribe button. Alright. It's a pretty windy day right now. Pretty windy. And this is northeast back here. That's where the sun rises at. Way back there. Then it comes up over here. Then it goes around here. And it sets back here. Northwest. Alright. That's not right. Last of the sun just got covered up. There it is. There it goes. Alright, keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. I'll talk to y'all later.